Hey there, welcome to Wellness Mentor. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. If you're serious about upgrading your health journey, I've created an amazing ebook packed with real actionable tips on personalized nutrition and functional foods. It's a complete guide to help you take control of your health in a way that's actually tailored to you, not some one-size-fits-all plan. If you're interested, just check the link in the description and connect with me on Instagram. I'll guide you personally if you have any questions. Now, have you ever wondered why two people can eat the same food, follow the same diet, and still get completely different results? Yeah, it's not magic, it's science. And it all comes down to personalized nutrition. Today, I'm going to show you why it's the ultimate health hack you didn't even know you needed. See, for decades, we were all told the same thing. Low fat is good, carbs are bad, protein is king. But the truth? What works for one person might actually harm another. Our genes, our gut health, our lifestyle, they're all different. Personalized nutrition says, hey, you're unique, and your food should be too. Think about it. Maybe you tried a popular diet once, like keto or paleo, and it felt like a nightmare. You were tired, cranky, and didn't see results. Meanwhile, your friend was losing pounds and glowing. That's not because you failed. It's because your body has its own unique needs. Research now shows that factors like your DNA, microbiome, activity levels, and even sleep patterns all influence how your body reacts to food. It's crazy, right? There's even evidence that two people eating the same apple can have different blood sugar responses. This is why functional foods, like foods that target specific health benefits, are becoming so popular. It's no longer about eating less. It's about eating smarter. When you align your diet with your unique body, here's what happens. Your energy shoots up, your digestion improves, your skin starts to glow, your mood becomes more stable, and yep, your risk of chronic disease drops like crazy. It's like giving your body exactly the tools it needs, nothing more, nothing less. You don't need fancy pills. You don't need extreme fasting. You just need a system that listens to your body. And once you understand it, health feels effortless. By the way, if you want a step-by-step blueprint to figure this out for yourself, don't forget to check out my ebook. I've kept it super practical, no heavy science talk, just real advice you can actually use. Imagine a version of yourself where your body works with you instead of against you. No more guessing games, no more chasing every new trend, just personalized choices, tailored for you, backed by real science. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you learned something new, smash that like button and subscribe to Wellness Mentor for more real, honest health advice. And if you're serious about starting your personalized nutrition journey, DM me on Instagram. The link's in the description. See you next time. Stay healthy, stay powerful.